Gonna be a powder day tomorrow. It's still Mayuary, top here, Lenawee Lift, Arapahoe Basin, Colorado, USA. And it's May 25th. It is puking. Yeah. Backside roadie. The swallowtail. May 25, 24, I got an email from the basin that said, I have 25 scans, 25 days at the basin, and therefore I qualify for a sticker. Document this. Look at that.
There it is.
Arapahoe Basin, 25 days. Legendary. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, you got it.
Like rain over there towards the beavers. If you enjoy what you are watching, you will probably love the science fiction ski and snowboard film my friends and I made called The Battle for First Chair, Opening Day Dreams, PinPin 20. Followed up that movie, the story continues in a book I wrote called Snowboarding's Last Stand, A Samurai and The Slingling. The movie and the book are both available for purchase on Amazon, but right here on YouTube you can watch the entire director's cut of the movie for free. And the audio version of the entire book is right on my YouTube channel. Link to both in the description, as well as all my other social media links are in the description of this YouTube video. Thanks for your support. Standing on the spot that was the upper terrain park here at A Basin. Now it's just all flat. No more rails. We got some over there just in storage with no upper park. Maybe the lower park is still riding. This is the double super secret sniper tower at Arapahoe Basin. The snipers sit up in the top of that tree, and if you do something illegal or as frig, like duck the ropes, they just instantly zap your pass. They can do it right through your clothing. And that's the spot where they sit up there with their pass sniping gun. Yeah, backside roadie. From the side. What's up? It's puking up here. May 25th. Yeah.
Day 100.
Day 100. Holy smokes. What was your favorite day out of all those 100?
Oh God, I don't know.
Keystone School Mom.
We're so blessed. I don't know. We have so many good days.
School Marm was a super fun run.
Side hit Marm.
Yep. Jibber Marm.
What would you think? Like, it was the best day in this season. We had so many good.
Do I include Japan?
Oh yeah, I went to Zermatt also, but that wasn't really good.
Or Big Sky? No, Big Sky.
Just find some powder over there.
No, I would say it was in Colorado for sure. For me.
Yeah.
Okay.
I just honestly had a lot of good powder days this season. I was laid off for a little while, so I went storm chasing.
All right.
And it was great.
Fun
2
employment.
weeks of just like amazing. It was probably actually, now that I come to think of it, it was probably Vail, Keystone, and Wolf Creek.
Okay.
Yeah.
Those were like snorkel days.
I bet. I didn't make it to Wolf Creek this year. Got skunked.
I did, you know, spur of the moment, day trips.
Keep on riding every day. Stay young.
Even if it's May.
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
Right every day in May.
Yeah, exactly.
From opening day to closing day.
Here at A Bay. What do you say? That's the way. This is the way.
Might have a career as a rapper.
Oh man, I suck. What do you guys think of the snow? Snow big time.
Yeah!
Yeah.
More snow,
More
please.
snow. We'll take it. It's a blizzard up here. It's still Mayuary, top here, Lenawee Lift, Arapahoe Basin, Colorado, USA. And it's May 25th. It is puking. It's gonna be a powder day tomorrow. Check out Lenawee Face.